Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. As you can see from the description below, we are unboxing the January 2019 So High Vibe. I am super excited to unbox this. I have done this unboxing one time before on my channel. I do really like this subscription. It is a beauty and lifestyle subscription, and it is definitely an uplifting subscription. You receive 5 to 7 items every month that are supposed to help you maintain a positive vibe and just lift you up, and I think that is super awesome. This subscription can be found on Cratejoy. I will make sure to put a link down below to get you to that site. It was very kindly sent to me for review to share with you guys, so I am excited to see what January 2019 is all about. So let's go ahead and dive in here. This subscription, this one starts at $34.99 a month. And they do have the option where you can prepay for 3 months, 6 months, or even 12 months. And obviously each step that you go ahead and prepay will reduce the price of each box. I know if you do prepay for 12 months, you end up only paying like $28 for each box. So if you really like this subscription, it's definitely worth maybe paying in advance and saving yourself some money. So we cut it and oh, okay, this is awesome, you guys. All right, so I will make sure to put this down below, but this is from the creator of the box, and ever so kindly, they have given me a code to share with you guys, Southern Vibes, and that will get you 50% off your first box. So like I said, I will make sure to put this down below for you guys, so that's awesome. So this is what it looks like when we open it. And there's a message here. It says, "Welcome to So High Vibe. This box is for the everyday woman who choose to make joy a priority." Oh, I'm sorry, this box is for everyday women who choose to make joy a priority. In it, you will find tools to ignite positive emotions like love, peace, and excitement. We know it's impossible to stay happy all the time, but we also know that when you are in a state of high vibe, positive emotion, you attract high vibe, positive experiences, people, and things into your life. So explore your products, engage in the community, and enjoy. It's all so high vibe. That's awesome. So it looks like we have some information here. So let's take a look at this. Oh, no, that's telling us what's in it. We're not going to peek at that. Okay, I know that you do always receive a 30-day quest card in each box. For January, it says, "Need some ideas to get those so high vibe emotions flowing? Explore some of the activities on this card. Try something you never tried before. Remember those that give you all the good feels. Have fun on your quest." And then on the back are 30 different tasks you could try. Pick your own personal theme word for 2019, go cosmic bowling, test drive your dream car, stock up on discounted holiday decorations, read a mystery novel, write a thank you letter to 2018, take a self-defense class, start using a daily planner, go ice skating, take up ballroom dancing. So these are just some of the ideas that they have here that you could always try, which is awesome. And then the monthly quote for January is, "The only person you are destined to become is the person you decided. I cannot talk tonight. I apologize. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decided to be." Ralph Waldo Emerson. So that is awesome. I like that. And excuse the sniffles. I'm still getting over the flu. Feeling much better, but still hanging around a little bit. And then the January quick shift card. This says, when you need to quickly change the direction of your thoughts, try these tricks. 1, make a list of things you're looking forward to. 2, think about a person you admire and then list all the attributes you admire about them. 3, have a healthy snack like fresh fruit and drink a glass of water. So that is awesome. So let's take a look and dive in and see what we have in here for January. All right. So we have, let me move some of these squigglies. Oh, wow. It looks like there's lots of stuff in here. So let me show you. There's quite a bit in here. Let's see. The first thing, it looks like we have 5 different e.l.f. nail polishes. It says, because the details matter, finish off the perfect look with a pop of color. Sometimes it's that little extra detail that makes you feel put together. And I know that's right. These are cute. Okay, so we have like a little pale pink. That is very pretty. And then this is almost like a mauve-ish purple kind of color, which is cute. Oh, and then we have a like deeper purple. That's actually very pretty. Oh, and we have a classic red. Can never go wrong with red. And the last one. Oh, this is a pretty like shimmery brown. That's a very pretty color. All right, and then we have, what are you? What are you? Not sure. Let's take a peek. Oh, okay. I do not want to butcher this, but Bimimo soft gel heel socks. Cracked heels be gone. Hard cracked heels aren't cute or comfortable. Wear these during the day or at bedtime to moisturize your heels. Get those feet soft and sandal ready. Guess what? They're washable. Wear a few times, then wash them. Wear a few times and then wash them. Keep going until the gel wears out. For added moisture, wear with your favorite foot cream. Let's point out the elephant in the room. The soft gel has a pretty strong smell. Don't worry, it lessens over time. Well, like I said, I'm still getting over the flu, so I don't really smell anything. So that's awesome. Those are great. And what I like about these is like your toes can hang out. I cannot stand my toes to be covered. So that's really great that I could actually wear these and not have my toes covered. All right. So, let's see. We have a mask bar kit and we have a silver peel off, silver foil peel off mask. So that's nice. And we have some of the charcoal. These are the under eye mask, which are great. We also have, wow, you guys. We also have here we have the silver foil sheet mask, another silver foil peel off, We got all kinds of masks. That is awesome. Let's see. And we got paraffin hand, nail, and cuticle cream. Top that cute manicure off with this specially designed hand cream that targets the nails and cuticles. It keeps your hands ultra soft directly after and between polishes. Just that extra little feminine touch. Oh, and this is from Bath & Body Works. There we go. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, I just can't really smell. All right. I'm all about a great hand cream. So what else do we have? And then we have the Prep, P-R-E-P, Your Skin. Why Prep Your Skin products? Well, it's the first dermatologist-founded skincare line for girls. Designed with the goal of educating girls about proper skincare and skin safety. It's an ideal line for little girls and big girls alike. Their products are sulfate, mineral oil, and cruelty-free. So a better question is, why not Prep? Lots of awesome prep products are included in your box this month. So let's see. We have a Prep Vanilla Mint hand soap. That's a good size. It's 6.5 ounces. Okay, I can smell mint in that. So, and it smells good. I love mint and I like vanilla. So vanilla and mint. I'm like, yeah. And we have the vanilla and mint hand lotion. This is 4 ounces. So again, this is a great size. Oh, it does smell really, really good. And then we do have lots. Oh, okay. So we have a these are all the Prep Your Skin. We have a candy apple body scrub. We have a sugar cookie body scrub. A vanilla mint body scrub. And an oatmeal honey body scrub. So I am excited about that. Y'all, this box is loaded. There's still... All right. We have a 2019 bucket list. This year, I would like to, this is awesome. It has all of these different sayings. So this year, I would like to go, and you can fill it in. I would like to learn how to. I would like to watch. I would like to save. I would like to practice. I would like to organize. I would like to forgive. I would like to attend. I would like to tell someone. I would like to visit. I would like to organize. It's just got so many different things. That's really awesome. And you know, they do say that you are much more likely to actually do something if you write it down. So I like that. And then we have a thank you card. Very pretty, sparkly thank you card. This says it's a thank you card to 2018. Let's reflect in a positive way. Write a thank you card to 2018. This is an exercise in focusing on the positive and expressing gratitude, some of the best high vibrational activities you can do. Be specific. Thank 2018 for the lessons you learned, the people that were brought into your life, etc. Anything that comes to mind. This is not the time for regrets. Hey ladies, we are focusing on raising our frequency so we can receive all that high frequency goodness awaiting us in 2019. Place your card in the envelope, put it away for safekeeping, and refer back to it when you need a pick-me-up. I like that. That's a good idea. I've never done it. but I think that would be a really neat thing to do. And then the last item we have in the box is Words That Matter, a little book of life lessons. And this is from the Oprah magazine. So it says, we don't have to reinvent the wheel when we can learn from each other. The Oprah magazine is known for encouraging women to reach their goals, express themselves, make healthy choices, and own their confidence and intelligence. This book is a collection of some of the most inspiring words that reach the magazine's pages. Take a look and take in some of the life lessons, aha moments, and insights. So it's literally like a book of quotes, it looks like. The pleasure of love is in loving. We are most alive when we are in love. Passion is the quickest to develop and the quickest to fade. Intimacy develops more slowly and commitment more gradually still. The moments of happiness we enjoy take us by surprise. It is not that we seize them, but that they seize us. Humor can turn the serious into the bearable, the humiliating into the humbling, and the mundane into the unique. Lying and cheating are sins. A hot fudge sundae is not. So it's just a book of quotes that are like I like this. I really like this. Everyday truths to guide and inspire. So that was the January 2019. I still can't believe I'm saying that. So High Vibe. You guys, this box was packed, and I mean, with some great skincare, and we got the nail polish. The book is amazing. I'm just blown away. I really, really like this box. So, like I said, I will leave the link down below if you would like to sign up through Cratejoy. And again, they gave me the code to share with you guys. I'm really happy that they did that. I think that is really awesome. Southern Vibes, I will put that down below as well if you would like to sign up for this box and get 50% off. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you like this box? Do you think that it is uplifting and positive as it says that it is? I certainly do. I think I've smiled through the whole video, that should say enough. Again, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. Please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And again, please do leave a comment. I will see you at the next video.